Bye. सर मैं मेरी पहली फिल्म के लिए बॉम्बे आया था साउथ से थोड़ा काम करके, तो तब मैं थोड़ा साउथ में तो चलता है थोड़ा सा वेट था, तो मैं जॉन सर को जानता था, जॉन इब्राहिम सर को, तो मैं उनके पास गया, मैंने उनसे कहा सर मुझे ये थोड़ा ठीक करना है, मेरे डायरेक्टर ने बोला है थोड़ा लुक प्रेजेंटेबल करना है, तो उन्होंने पहला नाम और आखिरी नाम विनोद चन्ना सर का लिया, और वो दिन है और आज का दिन है। फिल्म होती है नहीं होती है, शूट होती है नहीं होती है, मैं इतना एडिक्टेड हूँ इनके वर्कआउट से। नॉलेज तो है ही, लेकिन जिस तरह के वो इंसान हैं, बहुत ऑनेस्ट हैं, बहुत अर्नेस्ट हैं, सिंपल हैं, और आपको आपकी भाषा में समझाते हैं, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वर्ड्स यूज़ नहीं करते। उनकी सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे लगती है, और रोज़ मुझे सरप्राइज़ करते हैं एक नई एक्सरसाइज के साथ। आज तक 2 वर्कआउट रिपीट नहीं हुए, पता नहीं कैसे करते हैं।
ये कैसे होता है, आप अगर कोई भी एक्सरसाइज करते हो, आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें ध्यान रखनी होती है। सामने वाले का लाइफस्टाइल क्या होता है, लाइफस्टाइल के, एज के और एनी टाइप्स ऑफ इंजरी की वजह से क्या क्या चीज़ें उसके बॉडी से जा रही है, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली लाइक एजिलिटी, स्पीड, मोबिलिटी, इंडोरेंस, पावर, इम्पैक्ट बेरिंग कैपेसिटी, एज पर कीपिंग एवरीथिंग इन योर माइंड, यू हैव टू सेट वर्कआउट प्रोग्राम। एवरी इंडिविजुअल हैव डिफरेंट स्ट्रेन, किसी को ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा, किसी को कम टाइम लगेगा, बट अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू डिवाइड द वर्कआउट एंड मेक देम फिटर। दैट्स माई टारगेट एंड आई ऑलवेज वर्क अकॉर्डिंगली।
सर अभी मैंने बिजॉय नाम्बियार से, जिन्होंने आखिरी में लास्ट वजीर बनाई थी, उनकी फिल्म बस कंप्लीट करी है, 8 दिन का काम बाकी है। फिल्म का नाम है तैश, उसमें पुलकित सम्राट है, जिम सार्बे और मैं।
सर लास्ट ये पूछना चाहूँगा, अभी आप देख रहे हैं, आप उसको साउथ इंडस्ट्री में काम किए हैं, जो घटना भी हैदराबाद में, उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कितनी दुखद बात है और कितना ज़्यादा स्टेप पुलिस का अच्छा था जो उन्होंने इनकाउंटर किया?
सर जितना इसमें उनकी फैमिली को जो दर्द हो रहा है, वो मुझे लगता है इस समय पूरी इंडिया अपने ऊपर वो महसूस कर पा रही है, एंड दैट इज़ वाई आई थिंक इतना तुरंत चीज़ों में जो है सुधार आया है, और मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये और ज़्यादा फास्ट हो। एक कुछ अलग तरह का इसमें सेक्शन हो लॉ का, जहाँ पे इन केसेस पे बहुत जल्द सॉल्यूशन निकले, और इतने लंबे समय तक कोर्ट में ना घसीटा जाए कि जो क्राइम करने वाला है उसके दिमाग में डर ही नहीं है इस चीज़ का, वो डर पैदा करना ज़रूरी है। थैंक यू।
We are from our pharmaceutical industry, named Ambit Biomedics. Okay, since 2006 we are in a pharma industry, and right now we have 400 plus products in pharma industry in all segments, like gynec, dermatologist, and pediatric, orthopedic, and all general segments. So growth is good.
What about CMS Medica? CMS Medica
CMS Medica is a big platform. For last 15 years we are using this platform for growing our company. Okay, and we are really happy to get the award today. Okay. Thank you.
Vikram from QNT, is Dhananjay from QNT. Today we got 2 awards for the best nutraceutical company in quality, and for Metapure, the most advanced isolate. We've been doing here for the last 5-6 years. We are already #1 in Europe, and it's good that the Indian market has also started recognizing the quality. And thankful to CIMS, they've done tight scrutiny on us, and then finally chose the guys. In terms of sports nutrition, yes, it's picking up. We gotta control the quality. We have to make sure people actually get the right things, which is actually mentioned on the box, because this is one of the major issues in India. But we are doing our best to deliver what we are promising. Thank you.
So it's been long I have associated with SIMS, and it feels very great to be honored and to be awarded on behalf of Cipla for this emerging brand of probiotic. Thanks SIMS and thanks entire fraternity for providing us such platforms. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Prashant Bagal of Dabur India Limited, and hearty thanks to CMS Medica for giving this award to Dabur, the Dabur brand, that is the Dabur Ratna Prash, for the best brand under the immuno category. And surely we are looking for to get such more products into the market, and we will love to be here the next year coming with more such brands. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
CMS Medica platform.
CMS Medica platform. CMS Medica platform is one of the best platforms, and a lot of doctors are loving it. And we as a company are also getting more and more information about it, and to get to more and more people. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hi, my name is Sonia Davkare, and I'm picking up the award on behalf of my husband, who's got the award for Fitness Entrepreneur of the Year. And this is for his brand Nitro Fitness. We're in the fitness industry. Nitro is also into franchising. We're really honored that we've been honored by SIMS for this prestigious award. And SIMS is the #1 in nutrition and wellness. And so unfortunately couldn't be here today, but I'm glad that I'm here on his behalf, and I'm glad that I could be here on his behalf and accept this award. Nitro is now, it's almost its 7th year, and we're already 9 franchisees and 5 corporate gyms through. And the company is growing at a very fast pace, and I thank SIMS for this opportunity to come here and showcase this on behalf of Prabhu. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Hemant. I'm the marketing manager in Himalaya Drug Company. Today I'm very happy to receive Innovative Pediatric Nutritional Brand Award for Himalaya's Kusta Kids. It is again a feather in the cap for Himalaya, because Himalaya is researching nature and enriching life since 1930. And Kusta Kids is a unique offering from Himalaya in the nutraceutical category, because it is having best of both the worlds, scientifically researched nutrition and traditional ingredients.
Sure. And what about CMS Medica platform to connect all the medicals?
SIMS Medica is a very good platform for us, because it has a very good connect with the industry. I'm sure I should thank SIMS Medica for recognizing Kusta Kids with this Innovative Pediatric Nutritional Brand Award. Thank you so much.
Okay. Hi, I'm Saurabh from GSK, and thank you SIMS India for giving such an opportunity, and it is an honor to receive such awards for nutraceutical and nutrition segment. We have received the award for most trusted brand for all the categories, for toddlers, for maternal supplements, and for general weakness and fatigue. So for all 3 brands, Growth Plus, Protein Plus and Mother's Horlicks, has been the legacy last 100 years, and hopefully as a GSK will continue benefiting the customers in coming days. Thank you.
CMS Medica
No, it's a great platform, as I already said, and we hope we have winning this award in last 3 years, and hopefully in coming years we'll also receiving such awards. Thank you very much, and thank you SIMS also.
We are from Indorama Pharmaceutical, and he is Mr. Gaurav Jindal, and this is Shilen Agarwal. We are very thankful for the SIMS to recognize us for the award, that is the innovative manufacturer in nutraceutical supplements. We are one of the fastest growing company in manufacturing, and we are a WHO GMP company. And we are really thankful that the innovations that we are coming up for all the nutraceutical companies in India, that SIMS has recognized us for that. Thank you very much.
एक अच्छा मंच है जिसके ऊपर हम लोग अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं, और ये हमें आगे बढ़ने का मौका देता है.
Thank you so much.
Dhananjay Mishra from the QNT. Exactly, we are a global company and in the sport nutrition, and we are making the very good isolate protein. And today we have win the awarded by the SIMS with the best quality of the isolate protein. And really, it's a global product and best quality isolate protein. And thanks to SIMS to initiate this type of activities. Previously, SIMS was in pharmaceutical, but right now he's promoting the sport nutrition and wellness, each and everything. So thanks to SIMS.
Good evening. My name is Manish Chandyado. I am a brand manager of Emil Pharmaceutical Limited. It is based at Delhi. I am taking care of west part of India and South Mumbai, south part of India as well. It is one of the best organizations which is taking care of best out of brand in this industry, and I am proud moment for it to win a pivotal brand at the emerging brand in the derma segment. So I am quite happy to be part of this event, sir.
What is the CMS Media?
CMS Medica is one of the growing organization. It is one of the old organization which take care of old brand like the emerging brand in the industry. It's take care of wellness and nutrition segment as well. Okay.
I'm a Miss United Nations, Shaina Sunsara, and Miss India Earth also. Like Sims Medical is a company, like it's really a very good company. It's not only a pharma company, but it's also like spreading the awareness how to get fit. Because now today, like if I'll tell my age, I'm 38 years old, but I don't look like, because I'm using the actually right product, how to be look good and fit. I'm not saying you look young, but you should be fit. You should be like healthy enough to do your work, and like you should be fit. That's more important. And this is the pharma company's only way you get fit. Through that you get fit.
Hi, I'm Sonia Anand. I'm from Sanat Products Limited. I take care of marketing pan-India. So, yes, I'm really honored that I'm here and been awarded as one of the most trusted brand in herbal industry. And as you see, nowadays there is a shift in the society. People are shifting toward nutritional and wellness. So, I'm really thankful to Sims that they have come forward and taken out such conferences, and they are taking steps towards more into the wellness of society. And talking about my Sanat Products is one of the pioneers in herbal extracts, and we will be using this platform to bonus our business and grow more. And definitely I wanted to look more forward towards Sims doing much and much more for the society and towards health and wellness.
What is the CMS Medica platform to look into the medical? CMS Medica I'm talking about.
CMS Medica is one of the best platform for the pharmaceuticals as well as for the nutraceuticals to come up and stand, because Sims is the #1 platform which I have seen in my career of 10 years. They are the best at doing it. Thank you.
So we are from Nestle. My name is Rahul Pandey. He is Jay Mishra. We are extremely happy that we have got Protein Product of the Year and Most Trusted Clinical Nutrition Award of the Year. 2 awards on our hand, and it gives us, a lot of power to work even more hard and earn more awards next year. That's it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Medica.
Thank you so much
for Sims Medica Award.
Thanks a lot.
Good evening, everyone. Mr. Vinod Channa, who just got an award over here, trains me from the last 5 years. I started working in South film industry, then I did my first film here in 2016 called Sanam Teri Kasam, and I knew John Abraham since 2004 when I used to be a delivery boy. I'd gone to deliver a helmet to him. So when I became an actor, the first person obviously I went to ask for an advice was him, and I went to him before my first film, and I asked him, sir, मुझे थोड़ा बोला गया है थोड़ा सा weight कम करने के लिए और to be a little presentable. So he sent me to Vinod sir, and since then I've just been going to him. One of the most honest people, very earnest and very simple. तो जब मैं आया था तो जो panel discussions चल रहे थे, it's really an honor to be sitting here and listening to all the experts speak, and I really enjoyed it. It was really comprehensive, and thank you for this event. Thank you, sir, for coming and supporting this event, and it's really good for people who want to come, share, and absorb some knowledge. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I must say you've got a very charming aura. No wonder people seem to be not getting over you. Thank you so much for being here this evening, Harshvardhan. Absolute pleasure to hear from you. The next and the final award goes in the category Popular Gym of the Year.
Hi, I'm Sherry George, and I'm humbled and honored to accept this award for Precor. I thank Sims for recognizing the role and the role that Precor has played in the global fitness scenario. Precor is the undisputed global leader in commercial fitness equipment. In fact, we are the people who introduced the word cross trainer in the Indian fitness market, in the global fitness market. So, and Precor has been growing from strength to strength. Globally, commercial fitness clubs, you talk about various verticals, be it hospitality, commercial fitness clubs, corporates, real estate, they all have been buying Precor for many years. We manufacture very sturdy, reliable, durable and biomechanically superb fitness equipment. So I thank SIMS for giving us this opportunity and recognizing the role that we've played in the global fitness scenario. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.